not with Amy. We're doing our own. Amy, pay attention. Oh, there's a killdeer. Hi, killdeer. They're ground nesters, so they tend to try to draw the dogs away. And that's fine. When we get enough rain and we have a flooded yard, we see lots of killdeers. Amy just went right under the front of this horse, and he slowed down for her. He's marvelously caring and attentive. Once we're no longer going into the wind, we now have a pretty good crosswind. No longer going. There we go. He says, oh, okay. I can pick it up a little bit. Good boy. Steady gait, young man. And the big motor is on. Working a trot as you're ever going to get. It's just, he knows he's got distance to go, and he's willing to take the time to just move at a real consistent speed. No, we may not go after Amy. Raising horses and training them, Amy has to stick around. Alright, let's go this way and see if we can avoid some of the major ruts. There's some pretty wicked ones up by the pump. way. And then they said 20 to 30 miles an hour. I said, oh, for pity's sake, at this point, that's not really windy. That's an everyday around here. It's when it gets into the 40s and 50s that I go hide in a house. Bugs are minimal. So you stay in the middle. That's a good boy. Now, I consider them quite well broke to drive when I can make them go down the middle and I can go in the, my tires can go in the tire tracks. Right now, with nothing growing on the road, that's pretty easy. However, once we start to have some deep grass in the middle, then it's a little trickier. One of the neighbors is up here. I don't see any bodies, but there might be the crop man. Don't see a four-wheeler out anywhere. But maybe I'm just not looking in the right place. Tells you how dry we are when you only see one killdeer in a drive. They're little water birds. What a good boy. Yeah, there's a truck in our path. Who's that? You see trucks all the time. But this is a new place for one, isn't it? We would have gone and followed the crop on around, but there's something new to look at up here, so that was worth coming this direction just to have something new. Not only is there a truck, there's a trailer. Yeah. What a good boy. Pay attention. Good boy. So then there's a ramp. Silly boy. You gotta pick your feet up to go over it. So I don't know where the person is on their four-wheeler, but we missed them. In a way, that's too bad. I like to encounter people when we're driving because it gives me an opportunity to get the horse to stop and stand. And they understand that. They understand the stopping and standing when there are people to talk to. Then they get the why you stop and stand. Whoa. Walk on. What a good boy. He's been taking, I don't want to say 3 steps. He's been moving his feet 3 times. That time he only moved his foot 1 time. So that's very encouraging. Gale, you ready for a working trot? Working trot. That's a good boy. And now that we're going away from the wind and into the sun, I need to pull my hood off because it's too hot. Going into the wind, I wished I'd had my jacket on. Now I'm glad I don't. No, you're not going to trot on Amy. I guess she's just getting him used to traffic.